On behalf of South Shore Clean Cities, this is a proud day for not just Northwest Indiana, Porter County Sheriff's Office. It's a proud day for the state of Indiana as we implement a new project, a new program for hybrid police cars. And so today we're celebrating with all these state and federal folks on the acceptance of these 11 new hybrid vehicles. And we're so proud to be a part of this and the future of Northwest Indiana, but also the future of law enforcement in the state of Indiana.
Yeah, we're really excited about being a part of this program. Proud and excited that we're one of the first sheriff's offices in the state of Indiana that are going hybrid. And just from a fuel standpoint, the emission reduction, it's something that we're really proud to be a part of.
For those of you who have never taken a ride in the front seat of a police vehicle, you've got to hitch a ride in these cars. Now, these units are roomy, they're fast, they're incredibly stable, and now they're economical.
It is very nice, good pickup, very stability, but just the horsepower in it. When you start taking off, it's amazing compared to the other vehicles.
That's great. How do you like the quiet engine?
It's something you get used to.
Yeah.
If you're not used to it, when I first got in this car, I actually started it 3 times because I didn't hear the engine go.